Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a quick 10 minutes makeup for a fair skin girl or a light skin girl. Okay, this is easy, this is very achievable, and you don't even need to be a pro to achieve this very subtle look. Okay, if this is something you would want to see, I encourage you to watch the video to the end and tell me what you think in the comments. Okay, let's get to it immediately, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to today's video. I'm Genevieve, and if you're meeting me for the very first time, it's very pleasant meeting you too. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the OGs. You guys keep waiting on me until whenever I get AWOL and come back and post a video, and you still watch, you stay subscribed, and you keep engaging. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for today's video, and I'm going to be telling you in this video that you're going to be seeing more of me now because I have submitted my dissertation. So schoolwork has come down to the barest minimum and I'm waiting for results. Fingers crossed on that. So hopefully you're going to be seeing more of me going forward. And then in this video I'm going to do a quick get ready with me and just a simple everyday makeup that you can be doing. For some persons, really, it might not be an everyday makeup. Since I moved to the UK, I have not really been doing makeup that much. It's just been simple, easy makeup because I'm always on the move. So, guys, for this makeup, I'm going to be using this brush, this set of brushes that I received from a vendor on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Okay, this set of brush is everything you need, whether you're a professional or an amateur. Okay, let me show you everything it has. Okay, so it comes with a very nice purse, which I find very sleek. If you're traveling, it's easy for you to travel with this makeup purse and makeup brushes. It's very easy for you to travel with, and it has, you know, basically all the brushes you will need to do your facelift. It has everything. Oh my god, look at that brush, that brow brush is so cute. Look at that angle brush. If you know angle brush and the wahala that comes with angle brushes, you know that this is actually a very good angle brush. So these are all the brushes, guys. I'm going to be using this makeup brush to have my makeup done. This picture this looks really nice. I got a thumbnail picture from this. So I'm going to use this to get my makeup. As for the way this brush works when it comes to, you know, the blending and the finishing, I can't say much about it until I use it. Then by the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how it works for the finishing and all. And also, I am not a professional makeup artist, so I'm going to be speaking from the user experience of someone who has watched a few YouTube videos and is just trying to get my face, you know, properly beaten. So guys, for the day or for any occasion or event. But then one thing I love about this set of brushes, even before using it, I love this packaging. I love the fact that it comes in this type of, you know, purse and not all that chunky kind of makeup brushes bag and all and package. So with this, it's easy for me to travel with. It's very easy for me to gift someone this. Very easy to gift someone this, and you know, that's majorly what I love most about the brushes. So as for the user experience, let's get into it and see what it really feels like. Okay guys, let's do this makeup together. My eye pencil, right, when I started doing my eyebrow, I realized that the pencil was not properly sharpened, so I struggled a little bit with this eye, and then I sharpened my pencil, and then it was easier on the other side. Yeah, so using the same brushes from this brush set, I used the angle brush to define my eyebrow, to brush it out and define it, and it's looking good. So far so good. The brushes are working and they are doing the basics that you need if you're an amateur just like me. You can see that. Like I said before, I'm not really very good with brushes. So for every time I use my brushes, I'll also have to use my beauty blender to, give me the smoothness that I don't know how to achieve with brushes. So it's a me thing. Okay. So guys, this is basically my makeup. Just to add a little pop to my face, I used this concealer from Zikel. Yeah, I use a lot of Zikel products, guys. I just wanted to highlight my under eye, and I'm doing the same thing for the other eye. Just make sure you do it fast, because you don't want the concealer to grease up and dry up. So that's my setting powder. And I used my setting powder to, get this all set. And contouring is not something I'm good with. So this brush I'm using to take off the excess from the setting powder is still from this makeup set. So you can see. And that works nicely. You guys, my glow up is glowing up. Anyway, you can see me talking in this video and you'll be wondering why. I had this video, I was talking in this video while I was making it, but then I don't know how I lost the video. So I made this video a very long time ago and I've been so demoralized to post it because I lost the audio. I lost the very original audio. So I'm just doing this voiceover and I hope this voiceover explains the whole makeup as much as my original audio did. So I'm putting primer on my eye for the eyeshadow. I put too much, so it was difficult to blend. The thing about this makeup is the little, just be minimal. It's better for you. So this is where I now had issues. It was with the eyeshadow because why did you start with this color? By the time I realized the color I started with, I'm like, why did I start with this color? I usually start with darker colors at the end of my, eyeshadow. I usually, I don't know what the name is, so God help me. So, but I usually start with darker colors at the end though. But I didn't. I started with a much brighter color. At this point, I just had to continue going. Did I say that the eyeshadow brush is amazing? It is very good. Yeah, I think the eyeshadow brush is my fave on this set. It's so smooth. You can see how it's blending the eyeshadow into my eyes properly. So, my dear, I continue trying my luck, mixing and matching colors. If I thought I knew what I was doing at this point, I had no idea what I was doing. Hey, these makeup artists, they've left me at this point too. But anyway, I didn't give up. I continued. So I kept on doing what I was doing. And then I was trying to convince myself that it was going to come out well. So let's see. This is me adding extra colors, lighter colors. I don't know. Adding more colors and blending. Anyway, at the end of the day, I think I got something that was manageable after pleading the blood of Jesus and doing it all. All right, guys, this is what I got. I used the concealer brush, the angle brush, because it's a little wet. That's what I use it to put it. This is me laughing at myself. I used it to put a little glitter on my eye, and that was it though, guys. This is a very chaotic makeover. I've put the lash. I can recall what I was saying here. What I was saying here is that I didn't show you when I was putting the lash because I tried like 100 times before I finally put this lash on. I fought with it. You can hear me saying I fought with it. So, well, I have it now. I got it here now. All right, guys. This is how the makeup came out. I noticed that I didn't blend my neck properly. So, I'll blend them properly the next time. Like I said, I'm not a professional makeup artist. So
So this is me trying to contour. Guys, this contour, I did the contouring and then I wanted to add some blush, so I used my lipstick. Added blush. This voiceover that I'm doing, I don't know who forced me to do it, whether it's fight or whether it's not fight, but then I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Hey, I'm learning one or two things from it, because myself, oh well. So this is after I added a little blush and I did my lippy. Very subtle lippy, just put a lip line and hey, whenever you want to do too much, your village people will leave you behind. But at the end of the day, everything came out nice. So I wasn't so sure of the hair I wanted to wear. And I had my setting spray on. Okay, at this point, I think I blended it properly now to my neck. Yeah, it came out smooth here.
So guys, this is the finished look. You can see this is the finished look, and so I don't know if this is the perfect hair to wear when you want to show your makeup, because you know the fringe is covering a greater part of my face, but then this is the hair I have available right now to wear. So guys, rate my makeup. And as for the brushes, this is what I have to say about the brushes generally. Looking for a gift to give someone is a perfect gift to give someone. And if you're looking for a brush that you can just carry on and travel with, that is also perfect. So guys, in the comments, rate my makeup, rate everything. I look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave a good comment, okay, so that YouTube can suggest it to more people. Thank you guys. Bye.